Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open an adapter charger. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure the charger is completely unplugged from the wall outlet and disconnected from any devices. This prevents electrical shock. You will need a few basic tools, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized plastic pry tool, to carefully separate the casing without causing damage. Take your time and prioritize safety. Now, let's find the weak points. Most adapter chargers have a seam where the two plastic halves meet. Carefully inspect the entire casing for this line. Once located, gently insert your thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or pry tool, into the seam. Apply light, consistent pressure to create a tiny gap. Work slowly around the perimeter, gradually widening the opening without forcing it. As you continue prying, you might hear small clicks. These indicate that internal clips or adhesive points are releasing. Maintain steady, even pressure as you work your way around the entire charger. The goal is to separate the two halves without breaking the plastic. Avoid using excessive force, which could crack the housing or damage internal components. Patience is key for a clean separation. With the casing open, you will see the internal circuit board and various electronic components. If you intend to reassemble the charger, take a moment to observe how everything fits together. To close it, simply align the two halves of the casing. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear them click back into place, securing the charger once more. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.